Look, let's be honest for a second. Most of us are walking on thin ice. You get that notification. On your phone, a weird sound. In your car engine, or a surprise dentist. By land, your heart just drops. Not because you're scared of the bill, but because you know the bank account says $42. That feeling, that stomach-knotting anxiety. It ends today. We aren't doing the save 10% for the next 30 years. Talk. That's boring, and it doesn't help you now. We are going on a 30-day sprint to get $1,000 into a high-yield account. It's going to be intense. It's going to be a little uncomfortable. But by day 30, you're going to breathe differently. Let's get it. First thing we're doing is a digital bloodbath. Grab your phone, open your banking app, and scroll through the last 30 days. In 2026, everything is a subscription. That AI photo editor you used once, the premium delivery service you forgot to cancel, the gym you haven't stepped foot in since New Year's. Kill them. All of them. Even if it's just $7 here and $15 there, that is your money. If you aren't using it daily, it's a leak in your boat. Plug the leaks first. Next, walk around your room. Look at that tech drawer. You know the one? Old iPhones, tablets, that camera you thought would make you a YouTuber, but you never touched in the first 7 days. Your goal is to list one item a day on Marketplace or eBay. Don't wait for the perfect price. If it's sitting there gathering dust, it's worth $0 to you. If you sell an old pair of sneakers for $40, that's 4% of our goal done in one afternoon. Sell the clutter to buy your freedom. Now, this is where most people quit. For the next 21 days, we are going ghost. That means no DoorDash. No Target runs because you're bored. No, it's just 5 coffee. I want you to eat whatever is in the back of your pantry. Rice, beans, that frozen pasta from 6 months ago, it all. I'm not saying live like this forever. I'm saying do it for 3 weeks. When you stop the mindless spending, you'll realize you've probably been bleeding $200 a month on stuff you don't even remember eating or buying. If you've done the cuts and the sales, and you're still at $700, we need to bridge that $300 gap. Since it's 2026, you don't need a formal second job. Go on a task app and do 2 hours of data labeling. Go offer to detail your neighbor's car for $80. If you have a truck, offer to haul away someone's junk for $1.50. This isn't your career. It's a heist. You are robbing the 24 hours in your day to secure your future. The finish line. The vault when that $1,000 hits. Do not leave it in your checking account. If you see it, you'll spend it. Move it to a separate high-yield savings account. Label the account "Do Not Touch" or "Peace of Mind." That $1,000 is now your shield. When life tries to hit you and it will got $1,000 saying, "Not today."